Hello, good afternoon. This is Mrs. Bruce, and I'm going to walk you through the process that we're going to use currently for the virtual learning days. As we have all been using Google Classroom, so we're pretty much familiar with it. And the training that I did a few weeks ago would be this is just a mirror of that. It's just a webinar to show you exactly how to get on for those of you that don't know. So what I normally do is I go to my Gmail account, which is the easiest way to get it for me, and I usually always have that up. Go to my waffle, click on Google Classroom, and then your classes should begin to load, or if you have one class, your class will load. Click on your classroom, and where you see the three tabs, Stream, Classwork, and People, for the attendance, we will be noting it under Stream, because this gives us a live shot of when the scholars log in. So for example, underneath class announcements, I would hit share something with my class, and you could mark something like, good morning, scholars. We will be learning virtually today. Please sign in by 8:30 by typing your name under this comment. So once they type their name under this comment, it'll give us a timestamp, and this will be our documentation for attendance. Then you'll be able to use this comment thread and apply it to Infinite Campus and do your attendance. So you would click post, and you can also remember that you can do this from the night before and have it post in the morning by just simply clicking on the arrow, clicking on schedule. I want this to come out January 29th at 7:45 a.m. So then I could schedule that. I would also email Class Dojo, however it is that you communicate with your parents that you'll be learning virtually today, and so that they know to look out for the Google Classroom message. So after you have done that and you set up attendance, if you look, I've sent you out a doc on for an example of how to create a lesson through Google Classroom. Most of you should already know based off the training and everything that you have done already. So just take a look at that doc. Most of the time you will go under classwork, create is where you will assign all your assignments. If you have any questions on this, please give me a call or email me at the Ivy Prep Academy email. Thanks. Bye-bye.